Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about nutrition in human beings. Nutrition in human beings takes place in the digestive system. The other name of digestive system is human alimentary canal. Human alimentary canal starts from mouth and ends at anus. Alimentary canal is consist of many parts. For example, buccal cavity, esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The glands associated with human digestive system or human alimentary canal are liver and pancreas and salivary glands. The main organs of the digestive system are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The main glands are salivary glands. Salivary glands are present inside the buccal cavity. Gastric glands are present in the lining of the stomach. Liver is the largest gland of our body. Pancreas is essential gland of our body. It releases an important hormone, that is insulin. And intestinal glands. Intestinal glands are present in the small intestine. Here, two diagrams are shown that are showing the location of the main organs of the digestive system. Okay, so these all are the important organs of the human digestive system or the human alimentary canal.